This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming basics. iOS updated and background app refresh on. Open the YouTube app or Safari and start the song immediately. Once audio plays, lock the iPhone to test whether sound persists. If it stops, swipe to Control Center and press play to resume without unlocking. Make sure you've allowed cellular data for YouTube when not on Wi-Fi. This primes the system for background audio and avoids common interruptions before the deeper steps. Next, you'll apply the detailed execution. If you have YouTube Premium, enable background playback in app settings and use the official app for reliable continuation. If you're using the free option, open YouTube in Safari, tap the Share menu and request desktop site, start playback, then lock the phone and resume from Control Center. Once done, verify audio output selection. AirPlay or Bluetooth can pause when devices disconnect. Finish by locking instability. Disable low power mode and prevent aggressive app suspension by checking background app refresh and do not disturb behaviors. Use picture-in-picture for videos when available, or switch to audio-only playback to minimize interruptions. If playback drops, force close YouTube, reopen, and retry. If that fails, restart the iPhone and reinstall the app. A key troubleshooting tip: if background audio stops after updates, check permissions and reinstalling often resolves corrupted cache or permission glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.